Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to send seminar hall quotations on WhatsApp when inquiry is made on website, right? So the idea here is that you are running a business in which you are providing spaces for seminars or corporate events or public events, right? And for that you have created a website to connect with your customers. And in that website you have attached a form in which you are taking inquiries of your business. So when any visitor who is interested in your business fills that inquiry forms to know detailed information about your business and submit that form, you are going to share with him or her the package details or the quotations on their WhatsApp accounts, right? Now to get this done you have two ways. One is that whenever you receive a new form submission or inquiry here in a form that is created with the help of Elementor form application. So as we have taken the example of Elementor forms, you can use any other form building application such as JotForm or Pabbly Form Builder, right? So you have received a new inquiry here in this Elementor form. So you are going to manually sort out the details of the person who have made this inquiry. Then you come to WhatsApp and manually type a message for that person along with your quotation and package details and send there on WhatsApp account, right? But if you are receiving hundreds of inquiries on daily basis, this process can consume a lot of your time and can be very problematic. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you receive a new inquiry or form submission here in Elementor form, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the person who have made the inquiry along with your quotations and package details. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever you receive a new inquiry, a WhatsApp message along with your quotations get automatically delivered. And the best part of making this automation is you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any non-technical person can also make this automation. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between Elementor Forms and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen and here you can see I have created this website for my business, and we provide meeting rooms, event rooms, seminar halls for the people, okay? And these are the services we provided, okay? You can see all the informations here. And also we have attached this inquiry form for the persons who are interested to get the details, more detailed services which we provide in our business. So whenever someone fill this inquiry form here, we are going to send him or her the hall details and the brochure on the WhatsApp number, okay? So I will show you, I'll fill this form here on the behalf of any interested person who want to inquire more about our business, and we will check if this person receives a brochure or details of our business from our site on this WhatsApp account here or not. So let me fill the details quickly here. So I'm entering the name as Zubair Hassan, the email address and the mobile number. Okay, now I'm clicking on submit here. So you can see the form was sent successfully. That means the form is submitted, and we have received a new message also in the WhatsApp. Let's check. And the message is this. Okay, hello Zubair Hassan, thank you for showing your interest in halls for events. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our seminar halls. So this is a kind of message the person is going to receive who fills the inquiry form, and let us check the link also. So in this link, we have attached the PDF file of the brochure or the details of our business here like this, just to show this example. Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manually typing of this message or creating this link. Just by filling an inquiry form here in a website, we have received this message on the WhatsApp. So guys, let me show you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Elementor's inquiry form and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Elementor form and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor form with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Elementor form in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll fill this inquiry form to bring the data from Elementor form to here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is send the seminar hall details on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So finally, we are going to send the seminar hall's detail to the person whose data we have captured here in Pabbly Connect on his or her WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So I will tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type in the search bar Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, you have to put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect button. So from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. And I have already done this, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. And this will bring you to this all apps section of Pabbly. From here, you have to put your cursor on this Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here. And to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. Okay, so to create a workflow, you just have to click on create workflow button. And here you have to enter a relevant name to your workflow. So you can give any name. Let me fill the name here. So I have filled the name as Seminar Hall Package from Elementor Forms to WhatsApp. Alright, now click on create here. So when your workflow get created, you will see these 2 things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. Okay, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new inquiry received from the Elementor form, and the action would be to send the seminar hall package on the WhatsApp account of the person who have filled the inquiry form. So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app bar, choose your application as Elementor, this one. And from this trigger event, select this new form submission, and then it will generate this kind of URL. So this is called as a webhook URL, and by using this URL, we are going to connect the Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. So you just have to copy this URL from here and go to your website's page, and I am going to click this I am going to edit this website by clicking here on edit with Elementor option. So you can see the editor of Elementor is opening up, and from here I am going to scroll down to the form. So this is the form that we have created. Click on it, and when you click on the form, you will see on the left hand side in this content option, when you scroll down, you will see this actions after submit button. So you have to click on it, and here in this add action field, you have to search for webhook. Okay, so after selecting the webhook, you will see this webhook option will appear here. Click on it, and you will see a field here called as webhook URL field. So here you have to paste the link that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. So you have to paste it here in this webhook URL field. Now click on update here. Okay, so you can see the website is getting updated, and it is updated now. And you can see in Pabbly Connect, it has started showing waiting for the webhook's response. That means it is time for our next step, which is to bring the data from our Elementor form to here in Pabbly Connect. So to do that, we are going to fill the form again. So I'm opening my website by clicking here on view page. So you can see this is the website's page, and here I'm going to fill the details with a different name. Let's say the name is 𝙏𝙖𝙫𝙬𝘼 here. Okay, and the details required, and I am clicking on submit, and the form was sent successfully. Let's see in Pabbly Connect if it has captured the data. So you can see the data is captured here in this format. Okay, so our two steps are completed. We are connected with Elementor form and we have captured the data from the form to here. Now it is time for our next steps. Let me show you the. So our next and final step is send the seminar hall details on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So now we are going to seminar hall details or the quotation on the WhatsApp account of the person whose data we have captured here in Pabbly Connect. To do this, we are going to use this application which is called 360 dialog. So now I will tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on the section window, and from this choose app, choose your application as 360 WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Okay, so now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp, one must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. Okay, so 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly and easily. So after selecting the application, you have to select this action event as send template message, and then click on connect button. And from this window, if you're making the connection for the first time, you have to select add new connection, or if you have made a connection before with 360 dialog, you can use existing connection option also. So let me first show you how to make the connection for the first time. So when you select add new connection, these fields will open up, which is the API key and the domain. So from you have to fill these things. So to get these things, you have to go to 360 dialog account and you have to move to WhatsApp accounts page. So let me bring you to my 360 dialog. This is my account, and you can also set up your 360 dialog account. And to do that, I suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices. Right here, I am going to click on WhatsApp accounts pages, and here you can see this button showing generate API key. So by clicking on this key, you can generate your own API key. So after that, copy that key and paste the key here in this API key field here. Okay, so while generating the key, you will also get the domain name which will look like this link. Okay, so copy that link and paste it here in this domain field. So after pasting these things, click on save and you will be connected with 360 dialog. Okay, so this process is a one-time task. Once you generate a API key, you can use the same key to make the connections afterwards. And once you have made the connection with this process, after that you can choose this existing connection option to make the connection. Okay, as I have already made a connection before by this process in a different workflow, so now I am going to use this existing connection option also, and just by clicking on save, I'll be connected with 360 dialog. So you can see it started showing connected here, and then it is asking for the template. So guys, first of all, let me show you what are these templates. So I am going to my 360 account again, and here I am opening this manage template page, and these are the templates, message templates we have in 360 dialog. So let me open one for you. So this is one example of the template. So guys, message templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp, right? So to prevent spamming in WhatsApp, you have to create message templates first here in 360 dialog, and then you can use them. So to create a template, you have to click here on add template button, and here you have to give the name of the template. From this field, you have to select the category of your template. From this field, you have to select the language in which you want to send the message. You can select the template's type, and here in the body field, you have to enter the main message that you want to send to the person. Okay, after filling these things, you have to click here on preview and submit, and your message template will be submitted. Okay, so after getting your template submitted, Facebook will review your template and approve your template. Okay, so the standard time of templates approval they say is 30 minutes to 48 hours, but in real time it takes only 45 minutes to 1.5 hours to get a message template approved. Okay, so once you got your templates approved from Facebook, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp directly, right? So in Pabbly Connect, you can see it is asking which template I want to use. When I click here, you will see a list of all the approved templates I have in my 360 dialog. So from this list, I am going to choose this send brochure final template, this one. Okay, so I have selected the template, and after selecting the template, you can see the namespace field and the language code is filled up automatically. Now it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to enter the mobile number of the person who have inquired. So we have captured the data of the person here in second step. So to bring down the WhatsApp number here, you just have to click on this field, then click on Elementor form, and you can map this number from here only, like this. Okay. Now it is asking for this body field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are these body fields? Let me show you. So I am opening my message template here in 360 dialog, which is this send brochure final. And in this message template, you can see we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in double curly braces. So these are the body fields or the variables we have in our message template. As you can see, after hello, we are going to put the name of the person who inquired. So that is going to change with every new inquiry, right? And thank you for showing your interest in. So if you have more than one business page or website, this can also change. And here in this third, we are going to enter the values of the services. So if we are providing many services, the services can also change. So similarly, these body fields is going to change with every new message. So to get these body fields filled automatically in a new message, you have to map the values here in Pabbly Connect like this. So let me show you how to do this. So let us see in first body field, I'm going to map the name of the person who have inquired. To do this, click here, click on Elementor and map the name, right? So we mapped these two things. And let's see in this fourth body field, we are going to enter the link of the quotation or the brochure we are going to send to the person. Okay, so here is my quotation. You can see in my Google Drive. Here is our hall's quotation. So I am going to click here on this share option here, and it will generate a link. So this is get link option. From here I am going to click here on copy link and paste this link manually here, right? So you can also fill some details manually, or the details which are required to be mapped can be mapped like this. So similarly, we can fill all these fields. So let me do this. So I have filled all the required details you can see here. Now when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered as a new message according to our template here in WhatsApp account. Okay, so let me click here on save and send test request. And you can see it started showing this response and we have received a new message. Let's check. And it is saying, hello 𝗪𝗮𝘛 𝗼𝘠, thank you for showing your interest in hall for events. Okay, and here you can see the services which we'll offer in seminar hall. So you can see the body fields are filled here automatically as we have filled the details here like this, 𝗪𝗮𝘛 𝗪𝗮 and these things. Okay. So our connection is working properly with WhatsApp. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we selected the application as Elementor, connected it with the help of this webhook URL and captured the data of a new response here like this. After this, in this action window, we selected 360 dialog to send messages on WhatsApp. Then we selected our template and filled the required details to send message on WhatsApp. And when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen the messages received here like this. Okay, so this workflow is completed. Now just click on save here. So, and let me tell you one more important thing, that is you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account. because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every new month. Okay. So if 100 tasks in a month are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.